Hey, today's our annual open house. We've paired up with Oak Bank, so we've been sharing a crowd with them, and they've been sharing a crowd with us, and we've had a whole lot of people coming through our open house. So we've got our apparatus on display. Our firefighters are here. Ask them any question. We love to tell you about what we do. It's sort of our passion, and we like to share our passion with everybody. But we've got the Dane County Fire Chiefs and professional firefighters of Wisconsin Fire Safety House, the blow-up fire safety house. Of course, we've got fire hats and coloring books for all. And we've got an obstacle course for the kids where they can run through. They can even drag a little dummy teddy bear through, go through a little tunnel. We've got them out there doing fire extinguisher trainings. We're teaching everybody how to use a fire extinguisher that wants to know. And a couple of other displays. Fitchburg EMS is in there. They've got staff sitting at a table teaching people about EMS. It's been a really cool event.
Awesome.
In the midst of all the craziness, we've had a couple of significant calls where we've had two trucks have to run out and take care of business, and we were able to hold the fort down here while they went and did their good work. Right, they're out right now, as a matter of fact. So we have the folks from Coldwell Banker in there helping us serve our food. So we're cooking hot dogs and making popcorn at no charge, and so eat as many hot dogs as you want. And they volunteered to come over and staff the table and help pass out food, and they've been amazing. So Oak Bank's been amazing. We haven't had a whole lot of contact with them, but the agreement was that we would each host our event at the same time and kind of share our crowds, right? If people are coming to their event, we'd love for them to come across the street and see what we do. If people were coming to our event, we certainly hope they go over and patronize Oak Bank. But it's been just sort of the perfect placement and location, and shutting down the street helps so we can get safe people across here. It's been a great opportunity for everybody. I'm going to estimate around 2,500 people. We've had a very steady crowd coming through. It's just now starting to sort of level off, but we have had a whole lot of people coming through. I've seen a lot of happy little kids. A lot of parents who are enjoying it, getting great questions from the parents and the kids. And I've already heard some really good comments out of them. You know, just really pleased with the ability to come out and see the fire station, see the fire trucks, talk to firefighters, learn about what we do.